Hello everybody, Shelly Tsunami here. I was not going to film today. In fact, if I sound a little nasally more than usual, it's not just the allergies, but we were at a celebration of life earlier, and I don't know if you guys are empathetic or empaths at all, but every time there's a room full of emotion, it just overwhelms me. I've touched my makeup, I've dried my eyes, I am still a little congested, so I apologize for that, but we got home and there was a box waiting on the front step, and I was just so excited that I wanted to share it with you guys. So this is not gonna come up on my normal regular Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. It's gonna come up probably on Saturday because I just got it today, so I might just film this, edit it, ship it up to YouTube really fast just because I'm so excited and I'm so happy for her. But it's the new Allie Glines little storage bags. And I don't know Allie personally. I love her YouTube channel. She has this calming, soothing, I don't want to say methodical voice, but her tone of words are just so calming. There's nothing about her voice that's grating, and her makeup tutorials are really beautiful. I strongly encourage you to check her out. So I'm actually kind of doing this unboxing of her new launch that she just did, and she did a video, I think I bought it within a couple minutes of it going live. I just happened to get lucky because it did sell out right away. I think they're restocking. According to her video, I don't think they use any kind of management service or anything like that. They're just a small family who has a love for creativity, and they're content creators. She tells the story of, I don't know, a couple years ago, year and a half, 2 years ago, I can't remember what she said. They were getting ready to go on a trip, and she was having a hard time finding something to pack her stuff in. Just couldn't find the right travel bag for cosmetics, for toiletries, for that kind of stuff. So she set out on this quest, completely self-funded, to design and bring to market these bags that are amazing. And now, so I'm gonna show you what I ordered because I was so happy for her, and after I saw her video, I was like, oh, that's exactly what I need, and I didn't even know I needed it. So there's that. But anyway, so it comes in this beautiful satin bag with Allie Glines, written on it. I think that's how you pronounce her last name. I'm pretty sure it is. Came double boxed, so it was in a cardboard box inside of another cardboard box. So it came very well packaged. There is a plastic bag over it to protect it. I actually think this bag is super cool for maybe like a travel laundry bag, or I guess you could even use it as a shoe bag. I think it's gross when people put their shoes in with regular stuff, but this in itself is a bargain to have it. I mean, it's definitely something I'm gonna keep and use for travel anyway. Okay, so comes plastic wrapped, and once we open it up, it is this beautiful, like a dove gray, I don't know if you can see it. It has these rose gold hardware. I haven't even taken it off of that yet. Comes embossed in Allie Glines. It's got a nice, I'm gonna actually pull this out of it, a nice handle so you can carry it. This kind of reminds me of about the size of like a CD case. If you get those, I don't know, I used to have big black CD cases that you could put DVDs and CDs and stuff in. So it's about that size. I don't know if I can get back far enough to show you how big it is. Okay, that's, I guess, a better kind of an example. Sorry, awkward unboxing. Okay, anyway, so inside, because I bought the whole set, take the more packaging out of here. The whole set comes with these small everyday bags, and again, this has the rose gold zippers on it, which against the gray is just so beautiful. It has this clear plastic so you can actually see inside of it, but these are actually kind of rigid, not like hard, but they have some structure to them. They're not squishy and soft, but they have a little bit of structure to them, and it does have kind of a hard bottom to it. She actually had one of these, and she had her Kathleen Lights fingernail polishes in them. And I was like, that's what I needed. I didn't even know I needed it. I've been having my Kathleen Lights bundle fingernail polishes just in their original packing boxes. And I hate that they're in there because they never seem to really close all the way the right way and stuff like that. So I'm super excited. It was one of the reasons why I wanted to do this unboxing right now, is because I want to get my fingernail polishes in these. The bundle comes with 2 of these smaller everyday things, and on her videos she's got all kinds of stuff that she put in here, cosmetics, things for travel. It has the medium size one as well, again with the rose gold, the zipper all the way around, opens up, clear plastic thing, cover on it, and these are strong enough that you can actually put them up on their side, or even like that if you wanted to. They don't have to necessarily be stored flat. I mean, you could store it flat, but you can also stack them, and they stack like that, awfully pretty. And again, you could probably put them up as like, you know, bookends if you wanted to. I'm kind of babbling because I think they're so pretty. And then it comes with this ginormous one, which she had some of her largest palettes in it, but the big one has like this clear sleeve that you could put, I don't know, stuff that you don't want to lose, your hair ties or whatever else in there. It has a nice like firm top and a firm bottom, but it's not too deep where you couldn't put it in a suitcase. I'm super excited about this. I'm not even entirely sure what I'm gonna put in it, but when I saw the bundle deal for the whole set, I'm like, I absolutely can find stuff to store into it because I always need storage. And I mean, I think this is a set that you could easily put underneath a bathroom sink or underneath your vanity, or I don't know, I just think it's so beautiful. This big one doesn't have the clear window in the top of it, but once you open it up, and they're so pretty nesting in there, look how pretty that is. And it all stacks up nice and neat together, and you can keep all your stuff corralled. I don't know if I'm OCD or what, but it comes with a little card from Allie, and it looks like it's got her handwriting on it. And I can just hear it in her voice because it's so sweet. So I'm not gonna do it justice, but I'm gonna read to you what the card says. It says Allie Glines, and then it says www.allieglines.com or @shopallieglines. Yay! How cute is that? We're so happy that you've received your bag. Thank you so much for supporting our business. We're so grateful. It has been an amazing experience creating a product just for you. We seriously can't wait to see how you use and organize your bag. We truly hope you love your experience with our brand. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out. We're always here for you. And it says XOXO. And it's got their signature on it. And then it's got, you know, an email address. So I'm gonna actually take a picture of these, and hopefully, I don't know if I can do it justice, but I'm gonna try to take a picture of it. I'll post it up on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's @SheliTsunami. I was gonna ask a favor of you guys. If you're still with me, if you're still watching this, I have 2 favors to ask. One is, please drop a comment down below. I would love to know what your social media sites are. If you're on Instagram, hopefully you are. And because I'd like to follow you. And then if you could put a link down there or a comment about what your YouTube channel is. If you have a YouTube channel, if you're a small creator, if you're a fledgling YouTuber like I am, I would love to support you in your journey. Hopefully we'll get more people to support each other. I had a gal that was a new subscriber last night, and when I looked at her, she was like at, I don't know, like 942, and I know she needs to get to that 1,000. So immediately my husband and I both subscribed to her channel. Please subscribe, and please leave a comment down below of what your channel is, what your Instagram is, because I'm happy to follow more and build our community. I would love to do that. And follow Allie Glines. So I know she is restocking these bags. I'm so super excited about them. As soon as I get them filled, I'll probably post pictures up on Instagram. We've got some sunshine. I hope you guys do as well. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now. Where are you going? You're just stretching.